to Uncle Adam. Happy birthday to Uncle Adam. Happy birthday to Uncle Adam. Happy birthday.
Now what do you say, Miles? Whose birthday is it today? Do you know how old he is? Do you want to guess? Do you think he's 10?
No!
Do you think he's 50?
No, not quite.
Not quite.
No.
2, Miles? Do you think he's 2?
That's 17.
17? He doesn't look so good for 17. He looks a little old for 17, that gray hair. 13.
18.
I think he's 29, but I have to check. Okay, and who do we want to visit in England? Uncle Adam. And what do you want to see in London, Owen? Turn around and... The what? Oh, the gherkin?
Yes.
The building that looks like a pickle?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Adam. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Uncle Adam. Have a great day. We love you. Okay. Oops.
Let me do that.
Okay.